Menteri Ketenat Revenue and Disaster Management ke Jelam Meghalaya Bah Lahkmen Rymbui ulapan pau persyak ke kampen hek Surok Shillong-Dawki. Nere Hun Satya halor ke Pyntrei ke Surok nama ke jingja besengusi ke berjaman ke por ke besimno ke jing embrio. Ula kedau bagi jing doa ke jing embrio ke Surok kalong ke Pyntrei mensiam bat penlengo. Walak sarkar ke persang mensim ke senjam man kanglat ya ke jingja besengusi. Hakabede bakani Bah Lahkmen Rymbui ula kentu ya berok Ketenat terekam ban Sngewkhia kenang begini ke jingja kin Joshua. Tang hagi surok unrai hagi weipat ki surok ba kesorkar kan Pyntrei kam hagi jela. Ulaban bakalong kebedan kam ban penklanya ke jing pahara ba ke jing singan higi Jakarta rekam kenang banada kinong lit nong wan bat kinong trei. Menteri ula pensyairu ba ke office SDO civil kelapen mi barobor higi jing maham. Ban menta kesorkar kelabat hayu SDO ban penlong ya ke jing toket ke babnya halor kini ke jing ja aksiden baru. Hagi ni kisingi ketenat NHIDCL kelas sedang ban penkuat bat Pyntrei ki lomba agi tan mauli bat kiwi ki jaka bat kanglat ke jing tua kendau ane ke jing hap ki mau kabala benora ke Jingma. Ula penkot daga baban bagi jing trelang hap ke office Deputy Commissioner ke District East Khasi Hills Sub Divisional Administration bat NHIDCL kalong kebedan kam bani kuni gini ke jing Ula pen mau bagi jingja besengosi kila benwan ke babun ki daw nadu uslap du jumai haduk ka jing pom diang lane ke jing bapen scam ki kenro bat kilom. Namar kata ke jing dah lupa nak ke jing ma ke de kam ke bah kemak de akan ke jing Pyntrei ki surok bat ki kam Pyntrei ha ke jela.
I am not satisfied because the human life is lost. I am satisfied with the step taken by the government to see that the road is completed, and more importantly, to see that no disaster happen. But since disaster, I'm very sad to see that those type of incidents happen. And let's hope that all the implementing agency and the government also should take note that this type of thing should not happen while implementing any other project within the state of Meghalaya. SDO civil have already issued time and again ministry prohibition, restriction, and whatever happened is unfortunate. I'm very happy that government have asked the SDO civil to inquire into those incidents, and recently I have seen also the agency which implement this highway, especially from Shillong-Dawki, have taken step to see that whatever foreseeable thing which may happen to see. That's why they have dismantled those hillock at Mauli and all. So we hope that with better coordination between the district administration, the sub-divisional administration, and the implementing agency should be there to manage this crisis which you are talking about.